Your marks, get set. That's okay. Go. The hunt begins. Open yours, Joey.
You carry your report card home in this book bag.
This runs all day but has no legs.
Oh, Ava, sound it out.
This runs all day but has no...
Stove.
Water.
What's a stove?
Is it running now? What's a stove?
No.
Wow. We must not bake cookies enough, huh?
Mom.
I found another egg.
Maybe it's the computer. It runs all day.
This girl is an explorer.
Dora. Is that what you said?
Yeah. Where's Dora? Where's Big Fat Head Dora?
Mom, I think that's an egg back. No.
Joey, where's yours?
Kitty toy.
What is this?
Mom,
I can't read this thing.
Refrigerator.
Sink.
Sink. Oh, sink.
This runs all day too. Now, oh, here it is.
There's no
Ah. Try the other sinks. No, that one's opening. Try some other sinks.
Okay.
I have fork car.
Jake. Okay.